illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you step by step how to draw a Bluebird character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our Bluebird character. The first thing we want to do is draw a little curved line, and that will serve as the top of our Bluebird character's head. So we're going to follow that up with a giant letter U to create the rest of our Bluebird's head. So we'll come down, across, and back up. And we'll make a similar shape underneath for our Bluebird's body. So we'll come down, curve across, and back up. It almost looks like a mushroom or something like that. Next we'll move on to the legs. So we'll do 2 legs here, 1 and 2. All right, next we're going to focus on the Bluebird's face. So we're going to come up top here and we're going to start with the beak, which is a straight line followed by a curved line. And we'll make 2 large eyes, 1 and 2. And we'll want to put 2 pupils inside of here. 1 and 2. Now, if you've done other videos with me, you'll know that I do this a lot with my pupils. I'll leave a little spot of the paper showing through to create an eye highlight. And I also love eyebrows. So put 2 little eyebrows on there as well. Now we get to have some fun with feathers. So the first thing we're going to do is add some feathers up top. And now we'll work on some wings. So there's one wing that's kind of hanging down to the side. The other wing we're going to have up like our bird is waving. And then of course we need some tail feathers on here as well. All right, put some little lines and dots underneath of our bird here to make it look like it's standing on something. And since we have our bird waving at something, we should probably create that, which I think should be a little worm. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our character. The next step that we are going to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our Bluebird characters with our bonus little worm here. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, everybody!